How to set up a driver profile with Google built-in, Part 3. To get the most out of your in-vehicle connected experience, it is important that you allow Google built-in to use your personal settings from your Google account. This includes saved addresses in Google Maps, such as for your home and work. You can access your personal calendars, shopping lists, and make phone calls or send texts to friends and family in your contact list. Tap the driver profile icon located on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Profiles and Account Settings. Swipe up on the Settings menu to find and tap Google. Tap Google Assistant. Toggle all Google Assistant settings to on, especially the Allow Personal Results in this car, as this will allow all your saved information across your Google accounts to be accessed by you in the vehicle. Now that you have set up your Google built-in profile, you will be able to use Hey Google to control various features, including your infotainment, navigation, and climate control.
Hey Google, take me home.
Sure, home. Let's go.